Southlake, Texas, is renowned for its picturesque neighborhoods and upscale homes. As homeowners seek to enhance their outdoor living spaces, innovative lighting designs have become a focal point. These lighting solutions not only illuminate but also accentuate architectural features, create ambiance, and improve safety. Layered lighting for depth and drama. Layered lighting combines ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a dynamic outdoor environment. This approach allows homeowners to highlight specific features, such as water fountains or sculptures, while ensuring pathways and seating areas are well lit for functionality and safety. Advancements in technology have introduced smart outdoor lighting systems that can be controlled remotely via smartphones or voice assistants. These systems offer customizable settings, allowing homeowners to adjust brightness, color, and timing to suit various occasions and moods. Solar-powered fixtures for sustainability. With a growing emphasis on sustainability, solar-powered lighting fixtures have gained popularity. These eco-friendly options harness the sun's energy, reducing electricity consumption and providing a cost-effective solution for illuminating gardens, pathways, and patios. Architectural uplighting to highlight structures. Uplighting involves positioning lights at the base of architectural elements like columns, walls, or trees to cast light upward, emphasizing textures and creating dramatic shadows. This technique adds depth and character to the exterior of homes and buildings. Pathway and step lights for safety. Illuminating walkways and steps is essential for preventing accidents and enhancing the visual appeal of landscapes. Low-voltage LED pathway lights provide a soft glow, guiding guests safely while adding a touch of elegance to the surroundings. Statement lanterns and pendant lights. Hanging lanterns and pendant lights have become trendy additions to patios and pergolas. These fixtures serve as focal points, offering both functional lighting and decorative flair. They are available in various styles, from rustic to modern, to complement different outdoor aesthetics. Fire and water feature lighting. Integrating lighting with fire pits or water features creates a captivating focal point in any outdoor space. Submersible LED lights can be used to illuminate ponds or fountains, while strategically placed lights around fire features enhance their warmth and allure during evening gatherings. Motion sensor lights for security. Motion sensor lighting enhances security by automatically illuminating areas when movement is detected. These lights are ideal for driveways, entryways, and dark corners, providing both deterrence to potential intruders and convenience for homeowners. Colored LED lights for festive ambiance. Colored LED lights offer versatility, allowing homeowners to change the mood of their outdoor spaces instantly. Whether it's setting a romantic tone with soft reds and pinks or creating a festive atmosphere with vibrant hues, colored lighting adds personality and charm. Minimalist lighting fixtures for modern aesthetics. For those preferring a sleek and contemporary look, minimalist lighting fixtures provide subtle illumination without overpowering the design. Recessed lights, hidden strip lights, and flush-mounted fixtures blend seamlessly into the environment, offering clean lines and understated elegance. Conclusion. The outdoor lighting trends in Southlake reflect a blend of functionality, aesthetics, and technology. By incorporating these innovative lighting designs, homeowners can transform their outdoor spaces into inviting, safe, and visually stunning environments. If you're considering enhancing your outdoor lighting, consulting with local experts can provide tailored solutions that align with your home's unique features and your personal style preferences.